Hi guys, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have learned how to make the first row as header for the columns. So in this video, we will try to learn one more transformation technique, that is delimiting a column. Like if you see there are multiple delimiters present in the form of tilt symbol, right? So, and this delimitation is like, as of now, it is not delimited. You can see customer ID, company name, number of workers, average salary, all in one column. Now you need to separate this out to make some kind of analysis or to fetch some insights out of the data. You have to separate this like one column into multiple columns so that you can make use of it. So we will discuss how to proceed with the particular step. So till now, if whatever steps we have done, you will see everything in the query settings. We have removed top rows. We have removed bottom rows, which was total. We have also seen in this like making the first row as what do you call header. If you want to still see that again, I can show you. Use first row as header. See guys, it automatically picked up the first row as header. Now since I want to delimit it, I don't want this to happen right now, but I will do it after my delimitation. Then I will also show how to convert the data type from a particular data type to another data type. So I've deleted that step. It's back again. Now let's delimit this column. You'll find an option called split column in the toolbar or in the dashboard of Power Query. Just click split column by delimiter. Don't have to do anything. It will automate the delimitation will automatically pop up. If it does not pop up, you have to manually enter your delimitation symbol here, and you need to also see how many columns you need to split in. As of now, my Power Query or the query has automatically picked up that this single column needs to be split into 4 different columns. So I'll just go with it. I'll just click OK. And see guys, this single column has been split into 4 columns. Right? As discussed, company is customer ID, company name, number of workers, and average salary. Now, I'll make the first row as header. Does it make sense, guys? Right? Now it's better, right? Initially, what we were doing, we were taking everything and making that as row headers, correct? Now this is making sense. Customer ID, company name, number of workers, average salary, financial assistance. If it is yes or no, it is given in the form of Boolean type. So now let's discuss about the data type. The data type which is being imported by Power BI is text. It should not be text. Why it is text? Because there is a total word in the below, or you can say in row 23, there is a word called total. Similarly, this is imported as text. Everything is text out here. This is imported as whole number. Power BI or Power Query has correctly identified it, the whole number. And you can change this as, you can say this as binary, 1 or 0. Since there are a lot of nulls, we'll proceed with this once we do all those transformation techniques. As of now, if you do that, it will throw error. We'll keep this as whole number itself. and there are a lot of zeros which are not required. Let's first clean this data and then change the data type. That would make a good sense of this data out. So let's clean the data first. I don't require nulls out here, right? So what I will do, I'll just go text filter, or if you go to this total, I don't require total first, and I don't require null at all. I'll just deselect them and create a valid data set without any anomalies. You see, can you guys see the difference? What I did, I just clicked on this filter, removed or deselected null and total. All my none values which were present out here is removed. Now you see, now if you go and change the data type to whole number, it will not throw it will not throw an error. If you change this, there should be an option called Boolean though. Let's see what it throws error. Okay, maybe it is imported as a whole number itself. So let's keep this as whole number. It doesn't matter. Anyways, this is a sample data set. Now this data looks to be clean, but there are additional columns which I don't require. Like example, uh, I don't want selection, number 7 selection. You can go and manually remove the data set. Like if you want to remove, you can go and remove columns, or what you can also do, you can choose, like I removed like quite a few columns out here, right? Let's go back and do undo. Now I don't want these columns. In one step, I can remove all these columns by clicking on choose columns. Click on choose column and choose the columns which are required. Customer ID, company, number of workers, average salary, and financial assistance by bank. Now see guys, the data set has looked very workable. Now this data set is like ready for analysis. If you want to do some analysis, you can do. Like example, what is the customer ID and what is the average salary of a particular company? This is a data sample data set. You can if you have a proper data set, you can do some analysis behind it. So I will show you how to do a proper analysis on a proper data set in the future lectures. So let's skip this video till this point, and we will see how we can import this data set to our workbook, and then we can post which will also see how do we use joins, how do we join tables and then work with a particular data set or particular data. Okay guys, thank you very much for listening. I hope you like my work. If you do like my work, please subscribe my channel and at least help me out in telling what sort of things you require. I am here basically to just give back to the society. I have no intentions of earning money or something. Just I'm here as a data scientist. I just want you guys to ramp up on certain tools which are required on a daily basis. So that's my motive. I'll just require something from you guys is to just subscribe my channel. So whenever I post my new videos, you'll get a notification. And just like and comment if you don't like, that's also fine. It's a learning curve for me. And like this is the first time I'm creating videos for you guys just to help you guys out. So if you comment what are the things which I can improve, I will definitely try and work on it. Thank you guys. for listening patiently to me.